Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Neat Prep for Biology by AJ. Neat Prep for Biology is back with the favorite question and best question for NEET exam on chapter Organisms and Population. So here we start our video without wasting our time with the first question on your screen. Question 1. Ecology is basically concerned with how many levels? A 1, B 3, C 4, D 5. I repeat the question. Ecologically is basically concerned with how many levels? And the answer for the question 1 correct answer is C1, that is 4. Question 2. Biotic community is the assemblage of population of A same species which live in particular area, B different species which live in particular area, C different species which live in different area, D same species which live in different area. I repeat the question. Biotic community is the assemblage of population of, and the correct answer for the second question is B1, that is different species which live in particular area. Question 3. Many fishes of freshwater can live in sea water and vice versa because of A. Nutrient, B. Osmotic problems, C. Breathing problems, C. Excretion problems. I repeat the question. Many fishes of freshwater can't live in seawater and vice versa because of. And the correct answer for the third question is B, that is osmotic problems. Question 4. Identify the lines present in the given graph A, B and C. A is partial. I read the options given here. A. Partial regulators, B. Regulators, C. Endotherm, B. A. Partial regulators, B. Ectotherms, C. Endotherms, C. A. Partial regulator, B. Regulators, C. Conformers, D. A. Conformers, B. Ectotherms, C. Partial regulators. I repeat the question. Identify the lines present in the given graph A, B and C. And the correct answer for the fourth question is C1, that is A is partial regulator, B is regulator and C is conformer. Question 5. Diapause is A stage of development, B stage of suspended development, C stage of delayed morphology, D rapid developmental stage. I repeat the question. Diapause is and the correct answer for the fifth question is B1, that is stage of suspended development. Question 6. Natality refers to the number of A. Birth during a given period, B. Death during a given period, C. Living individuals during a given period, D. Living individuals during their lifespan. I repeat the question. Natality refers to the number of, and the correct answer for the sixth question is A1, that is birth during a given period. Question 7. Below diagram indicates. See the graph and identify the options given below. A is exponential growth curve, B logistic growth pattern, C J-shaped curve, D both A and C. I repeat the question. Below diagram indicates, and the correct answer for the seventh question is D1, that is both A and C, that is exponential growth curve, and C J-shaped curve. Question 8. Population evolved to maximize their reproductive fitness are also called A. Mendel's fitness, B. Darwin fitness, C. Landmark's fitness, D. Individual fitness. Population evolved to maximize their reproductive fitness are also called, and the answer for the eighth question is B, that is Darwin fitness. Question 9. Cryptically colored camouflage is a technique through which prey can A. Feed abundantly, B. Lessen the impact of predator, C. Increase their number, D. Increase their reproductive fitness. I repeat the question. Cryptically colored camouflage is a technique through which prey can, and the correct answer for the ninth question is B1, that is lessen the impact of predator. Question 10. Autecology is the A. Relation of a population to its environment, B. Relation of an individual to its environment, C. Relation of a community to its environment, D. Relation of a biome to its environment. And the correct answer for the 10th question is B1, that is relation of an individual to its environment. And thank you friends for watching Neat Prep for Biology by AG. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, share with your friends, and watch the previous video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.